If you're struggling in chemistry class and either you don't have time to go to campus, office hours are not convenient, or your schedule just won't allow it, then find help online through expert chemistry tutoring at hutut.com. Simply visit our website at hutut.com and make an appointment. We offer a range of services in chemistry, starting at 15-minute tutoring, 30-minute tutoring, and 60-minute tutoring, all online, delivered to your desktop or tablet device. You can book the first available slot, or you can browse from a range of experts who are available and ready to tutor you in chemistry online. Simply pick the day of the session, schedule an available slot with the tutor, enter your information, add a topic so that the tutor can prepare, and reserve the appointment. It's that simple. On the day of the appointment, you'll receive an invitation to join the tutor online, and you simply connect the session online anywhere. For further information, drop us an email at humantutor@gmail.com.